Okay, so this is a Pontiac Firebird, and it's been here for a while. We did a Pontiac GTO swap in it, so it's got a 6-speed Tremec trans, LS1, custom wiring specialties harness. It's got fresh paint. It's just finished this week. And it looks amazing, you know, it came back to life. The car wasn't really bad condition before, but now it's nice and fresh. All the quarter panels are nice and even, everything is smooth. I'm gonna show you the engine bay in a little bit. Inside everything works. We managed to make the speedometer work, the OEM one, with a little box that I'm gonna show you in a bit. All the gauges work. He's gonna redo the interior, but overall it's back to life. Install this on as well for the RPM. Okay, so let's look inside now. So this is the engine bay, and like I said before, it's got a GTO engine and transmission. So it's an LS1 from 2004 or 5, I believe, GTO, and everything works. Power steering, the heater starts like a stock car. This black box, if you notice, the cable for the speedo is connected on the box, and the box is connected to the electronic speed sensor on the transmission. So that's how we are able to use the OEM speedo from the Firebird with the newer engine setup. So this is it. Let me start it so you guys can hear it. Alright. So it's a 6-speed now, not a 4-speed or a 5-speed. It's a 6-speed from the GTO. Sounds really good. Yeah, this car put down about 350 horsepower to the ground on 91 octane. We got it's actually a common swap. So we got the kit from Summit Racing. They sell you the headers, the oil pan, the motor mounts, the transmission mount, and you know, all we did is install it. Also, this harness is custom made, like wiring specialties for a swap like this. This is the OEM K&N intake for the GTO. This is the 67 Firebird radiator, which worked fine. The fans are one on the front, one on the rear. Temps are on point. So it was pretty smooth. It wasn't that hard to do. What else? It drives really well. Power steering works. It's a really nice restoration. He kept the something similar to the OEM color, but it's a little brighter. That's all. I'll post links on the video description, so you guys can find parts, and you guys can ask us for tips if you want to do something similar to this.